Okay, so welcome to my channel Arshith's Tech Vlog. So now I'm going to unbox this Mi smart speaker with Google Assistant. So let's unbox it. So here's the tape. Just take it out. So now let's open the box. Okay, it's a warranty card or something. Oh, the manual. Here's something like this. I think this is the speaker. Okay, something. Let's keep it somewhere. Now here's the speaker. Here's the speaker. There's some box. Let's see what's here. That's all. This another part. So now let's close it. Okay. So here's the speaker. So let's open it. Okay, it's a very lightweight speaker. I think you need. Oh, let's open it. Oh, here's the speaker. Okay, here's the speaker, and there's the volume up and down, play, pause, mute button. It's the power plug port. So let's see what's inside this box. There's a power adapter. That's all. So now just put this out. This pan. Right here. Okay. So here's the speaker. The light is blinking. So Google Home app. So it is powerful sound, nice bass, details, professional toning, set timers, set alarms, timers, reminders. Get answers, HD audio processor, play and control music media, plan your day, control smart home devices. So here's some Google Assistant. Hey Google, play some music. What's the weather this weekend? Tell me about my day. What is the population in Spain? How far away is the moon? Do I need a number? Here's the things. It is Bluetooth 4.2 A2 dp, output 12 watts into 15 volts. So if you want to set up this, first if you should have a Wi-Fi connection, then a smartphone, then an app called Google Home and a Google account. So now I'm going to set up this thing. So after setuping, I'll show you the thing. So hi guys. So this is the screen. So now I'm going to set up the device. First click plus, then click set up a device, then set up new device in your phone. All devices. Select your home and select your and turn on your location. For device. MI smart speaker phone. Okay. So I just found the speaker. So now I'm going to click yes. Connecting to MI smart speaker. So now it says, do you hear a sound? So I'm going to click yes because I heard a sound. Yes, I will. Living room. Next. Okay. So now I'm going to click next. So I'm going to click Abhi. Okay. Connecting to Wi-Fi. So it's connecting to the network. So it will take some time. Okay, now it's connected. So now I'm going to click next. Loading. Google is loading. Okay, so now it's loading. Okay, so now it's loading. So I just give no thanks because lots of people. What say? Get started with voice calls. Continue. So you can just call with Google Duo, I think. Okay, ready? Next. Sign up. Continue. Installing an update. So it should take 4. Okay, so this living room is ready. Continue. So now,
There are a few things you can do. Continue in the Google Home app.
Okay. So living room speaker. Hey Google, how are you?
All well. Anything I can help with?
Okay. So thank you. So now let's go back to testing the speaker. Now this is the speaker I set up it. So let's see what is the difference between Alexa and lots of AIs. Hey Google, set a timer for 2 seconds.
Alright, 2 seconds. Starting now.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey Google, stop. Okay, so now let's play a song. Hey Google, play Who Let the Dogs Out.
Alright, here's the album Who Let the Dogs Out on Spotify.
Who let the dogs out?
Nice. DTS has given lots of bass. It's very nice. So this speaker is very amazing. You can ask anything. This is just like your phone. if you use Google Assistant in your phone, if you use voice match, then you can just call with your voice and other strangers or your kids or other people not when you say hey Google, then it will not reply because it is your voice, because it's like Dolby Atmos. So they just put a lot of bass things in here. We collaborate, so they put in here. We collaborate with DTS World and Annual Sound Effects company to provide perfect sound turning, high quality listening. Okay. So here's the DTS. So here's the DTS logo. It's the OK Google logo. The MI brand. So MI has made this thing very nice, and any company doesn't make it like that. So it's very nice. So this is a review and unboxing. So bye for now, and it's I'll show you what things can you just say with this Google Assistant. So please like, follow, comment, share. So bye.